Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the US dollar Japanese yen FX for Tuesday, July the 14th. Well, we have a new first time frame uptrend in this market today. Previously we had a first time frame downtrend where the market was making a series of lower highs and lower lows, and now we have a higher high and a higher low. We've rallied on a moderately bullish candle. We've seen the size of the body extend slightly, and the candle is green. So that looks all well for the market to continue appreciating. If we look at the higher time frame trend, we have a series of lower peaks and lower troughs, which means that the market is in a downtrend in the second time frame, but we have a retracement of that second time frame downswing from here, which found resistance at the in the Kumo. Now, looking at where we're trading in relation to the Kumo, we're trading a long way down below the Kumo, which means that the market is quite bearish overall. It has a bearish bias, and we're trading down below the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and the Kijun-sen is above the Tenkan-sen. So everything is pointing to a very, very bearish market here, but what we're seeing is a retracement of this previous swing. Now, just looking at the angle of the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, they're not at a very steep angle, and it's reflecting what's happened in the market just here after we had this very strong sell-off, that there was strong support coming in here at 92, and we can see the very, very long shadows, and there was buying coming in there. And what we'd normally see in a very fast-moving downtrend is that these lines would be pointing down very, very sharply. So what's likely to happen is that the market will continue retracing, and we need to watch how the market reacts down around the Tenkan-sen. If we see bearishness coming in as it approaches there, then it could mean that the market will continue its first time frame, second time frame downtrend. We may have a potential change of trend to the downside, so we need to watch how the market reacts there. If it trades up through there, then we should look to resistance at the Kijun-sen and watch how the market reacts there. And then after the Kijun-sen, we need to look at the cloud. Whether the market will trade all the way back up there remains to be seen. We had such a very, very strong sell-off that it's unlikely that it will trade up to that area. Also, we need to watch this area of previous support, and we know that support can turn into resistance. So that's around 95, this area here. So that could act as a potential area of resistance here too. So first time frame uptrend, and our technical analysis tells us that the trend is likely to remain in force, so we have to be bullish in the first time frame and imagine that the market will trade up to around this level first.